We often look away for distant travels and exotic roads, but seldom pay attention to what's around the corner. Today I want to take you on a ride with me on my local part of Trans-Euro Trail. And yes, I'm so lucky to live close to some beautiful tracks. My name is Michael, and in this channel I share motorcycle videos, tech reviews, adventure riding and travels, so if you like, consider subscribing. Let's go! Alright, so I'm on a part of a north-south way, about 100 kilometers south of Warsaw. Ride I take you to today leads from Przytoczno to one of most popular touristic places in Poland, Kazimierz Dolny. I start here in a place created by an Ice Age glacier, thanks to which you can find some little hills here, as well as multiple lakes, swamps and rivers. Meanwhile, I arrive in an abandoned palace of Kickich family. It comes from 19th century and in the past was a house, then a farming school due to owner's will, to be used as kindergarten after Second World War and eventually abandoned in about 90s. Such a waste and such a pity. As I go south, Trans-Euro Trail takes me to the riverbank of Wieprz, one of the wildest rivers in Poland. This is really beautiful here in summer. You can ride here, come fishing, or simply take a kayak and have a day onto the water. That's how we get to Baranów, where I used to go to school. I must move on as November days are short and there's still quite a few kilometers ahead of me. I ride quite fast, enjoying beautiful forest roads here. That's how I get to another place. I want to show you a completely new landscape of hills cut with gorges. This spot is the Three Cross Hill, but not the one famous, which is in Kazimierz. These crosses are tribute made by Princess Czartoryska to her friend. And that links actually to the previous place I showed you, I mean the palace, because the friend was Zofia Kicka of the same family to whom the palace belonged 200 years ago. I now go through the gorges of my region, which are thought to be Europe's unique geological structures, really worth to see when traveling across Poland. My final destination is near. I take you through a little village of Męćmierz. Alongside Wisła River. Kazimierz Quarries. To historical town. And here we are, Kazimierz Dolny. A king's town, dated to 14th century, with a castle, tower, beautiful churches and marketplace. Everyone said, but as I said at the beginning, we look far and not see close. I wouldn't appreciate it enough in the past until my trips to France. When I came back, I visited here again and finally knew it truly is a beautiful place, right next to me.